Banking on the go. Does Monese have a banking license? Ever dreamed of ditching the traditional bank and managing your money entirely from your phone? Monese, a popular mobile banking app, seems like a perfect solution. But with all the buzz around digital wallets and online financial services, a crucial question arises: is Monese a legitimate bank? Does it have the necessary license to ensure your hard-earned cash is safe? Let's unpack the world of e-money and delve into the nitty-gritty of Monese's licensing situation. Buckle up, financially savvy friends, because this video will shed light on whether Monese is truly a bank or something entirely different. Traditional banks versus e-money institutions. First things first, let's establish the difference between a traditional bank and an e-money institution like Monese. Brick-and-mortar banks, the ones we're all familiar with, hold a full banking license. This license empowers them to offer a wide range of financial services, including accepting deposits, granting loans, and issuing checks. These services are tightly regulated to ensure the safety and security of your money. On the other hand, e-money institutions like Monese operate under a different license. They're authorized to issue electronic money, which essentially functions like digital cash stored in your account. You can use this digital cash for various online transactions, make payments, and even get a debit card for in-store purchases. However, unlike traditional banks, e-money institutions can't offer services like loans or checks. Monese, the e-money powerhouse. So, where does Monese fall in this spectrum? Here's the key takeaway: Monese itself doesn't hold a full banking license. Instead, it partners with a licensed e-money institution called Prepay Solutions, PPS. PPS is authorized and regulated by both the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK and the National Bank of Belgium, NBB. This means that while Monese might not be a bank itself, it operates under the umbrella of a reputable e-money institution with the necessary licenses for secure financial activities. What does this mean for your money? Now, the big question: is your money safe with Monese? Here's where things get a little interesting. Although Monese operates under PPS's license, there's a crucial difference between a full banking license and an e-money license. Traditional bank accounts are protected by government-backed deposit guarantee schemes. These schemes ensure that if the bank collapses, you'll get your money back, up to a certain limit. Unfortunately, e-money accounts like those offered by Monese don't fall under these deposit guarantee schemes. This means that in the unlikely event of PPS going bust, your money might not be fully protected. However, Monese does employ a process called safeguarding. Here's the gist: your money is held in separate secure bank accounts, segregated from Monese's own funds. This helps ensure that even if something happens to Monese, your money remains protected. The verdict: Monese licensed convenience, not full-fledged bank. So, to answer our initial question, Monese doesn't hold a full banking license. It operates as an e-money account provider under the authorization of its partner, PPS. While this doesn't offer the same level of security as a traditional bank account, Monese utilizes safeguarding measures to keep your money safe. Monese offers a convenient and accessible way to manage your finances. However, it's crucial to understand that it functions differently from a traditional bank. If you prioritize the peace of mind that comes with deposit guarantee schemes, a traditional bank account might be a better fit. But if you value the flexibility and ease of a mobile-centric financial experience, Monese could be a great option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.